I am Maria Antoinette, and I have one question for you. What is a girl supposed to do with a spare tire? Well, I'm about to show you. I am going to be DIYing an ottoman out of this, so let's get to it. All right, let's get some math out of the way. We are going to be using 3 17 inch wood rounds. The reason why we're using this size is because our standard tire is 30 inches. So our first step is going to be adhering 2 of these together. All right, I'm going to take my liquid nails and I'm going to use this as my base to assure that it does not move around when I come back to do all of my screwing. Now that these are dry, it is time to attach our legs to this. I am going to be using black metal hairpin table legs, and I'm going to eyeball this. If you guys want to get out your ruler and your balancer, you probably should. Don't build like Maria. All right, I'm using your basic wood screw to secure this down. The trick for this is making sure that the edge of this lines up exactly with the wood round. All right, so we have our legs attached to the wood. Now we need to attach the wood to the tire. This is gonna be a lot of fun. So let's get our pilot holes drilled in. To make sure that we have this evenly secured, we want to do an even amount of holes all the way around. So we're going to do 16 of these. Let's get started. Now we're going to take our smaller drill bit and drill all the way through for a full pilot hole so that our screw can go all the way through and into the rubber tire. All right, now it's time to screw in our 3-inch screws. So we need to change out all of these bits. All right, now that we have that all secured, let's flip this over and get it out the way. All right, now we need to upholster the top of our ottoman. We are going to take our egg crate foam and we're going to cut it so that there is enough to wrap around our wood round. So let's put this all together. I'm going to be using some scrap fabric that I just had laying around. I'm gonna lay this out like a picnic. Next, I also cut out some circular rounds in the egg foam, and those are gonna go down first. Next, I'm going to take the square that I used. Simply place your wood round on top of all of that, and you're gonna need your handy dandy staple gun. I'm going to simply fold this in and staple. You're gonna go ahead and secure all of that excess egg foam onto the wood round. And seriously, you guys, you don't have to worry about it being perfect because that's where the fabric comes in. So using your leg and pulling, you're building your own resistance. It's an easy project to do by yourself. Always pulling and stapling opposite of where your body is. All right, now that we have that done, let's bring back in our tire. Now look at that, that is a perfect fit. Next step, covering it with our fabric. All right guys, so I have some faux fur. It's absolutely gorgeous, so soft. This is gonna be so amazing. I'm going to lay that down with the pretty side down. Using the same technique we used before for the round that's under there with the foam on it, we're gonna do the same thing up here. Pull, staple, and keep going until it's all on. Okay, now that we have everything all secure, we are going to come in and remove excess fabric. Are you guys ready? Let's see what this baby looks like. How gorgeous is this? I can totally see this in a living room, a nursery. There's just endless things that you can do with this ottoman. Nice and sturdy. All right, guys, a lot of muscle and work to put this together, but it's so worth it. This would cost so much if you found it in the store, and how great is it to say that you made it yourself?